Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Presets let you apply a group of settings to a photo all at once. You can apply presets that are included with Lightroom Classic CC, and you can also create your own custom presets. Presets appear within the Presets panel. The Presets panel appears in the panel group at the left side of the Develop module. When you expand the panel, you'll see that Lightroom Classic CC comes preloaded with a wide variety of default presets which are arranged within preset groups. To see the effect that a preset will have on a photo, display the loop view within the Develop module, and then expand a preset group to display its presets. Then simply hover over the name of the preset in the Presets panel with your mouse pointer. The effect of that preset then appears both in the loop view as well as the Navigator panel. To apply the preset to a photo, click the name of the preset in the Presets panel. You can disable the live preset preview on your photo in the loop view if you want. To do this, choose Edit Preferences from the menu bar. In the Preferences dialog box, click the Performance tab. In the Develop section of the dialog box, uncheck the Enable Hover Preview of Presets in Loop checkbox. Then click the OK button to save your settings and close the dialog box. When you now hover over a preset after disabling the option, you'll notice that the preview is still applied to the thumbnail image in the Navigator panel, but not the actual image preview. You can also show or hide develop preset groups shown in the Presets panel. This can make finding your preferred presets easier. To do this, click the plus-shaped Add New Presets button in the Presets panel header. Then choose the Manage Presets command from the pop-up menu. The Manage Presets dialog box then appears. Here you can uncheck any preset group to remove it from the Presets panel. Preset groups with a check mark will be displayed in the Presets panel. After making selections, simply click the Save button to apply your choices and dismiss the dialog box. The Presets panel then displays your chosen preset groups. To show all of the hidden preset groups again, simply right-click any preset group in the Presets panel and choose the Reset Hidden Presets option that appears. You can create a custom preset based on the settings of the selected photo. When you create a custom preset, it is available in the Preset panel until you delete it. Additionally, the preset appears in the list of developed settings that you can choose when importing photos. To create a preset, click the Add New Presets button in the Presets panel header. Then choose the Create Preset command. The New Develop Preset dialog box then appears on screen. Type a name for your new preset into the Preset Name text field. Use the Group drop-down menu to specify within which folder the preset will appear. Lightroom Classic CC gives you a user preset save location, or you can choose the New Group command to create a new preset folder. Next, use the options in the dialog box to select or deselect the settings you want to include in the preset. Remember, the options you select will be based upon the current settings of the selected photo. After making your selections, click the Create button to close the dialog box and preserve your choices. The new preset is then added to the specified folder within the Presets panel. To edit a developed preset you've created, click to select the preset from the Presets panel. Then modify the settings of the selected photo as needed. When you're finished, right-click the preset within the Presets panel and select the Update with Current Settings command from the pop-up menu. The Update Develop Preset dialog box then appears. Specify the settings you want to include, and then click the Update button to preserve your changes. To delete a preset you've created, simply right-click the name of the preset within the Presets panel and choose the Delete command from the pop-up menu. A pop-up message appears and asks you to confirm your choice. Click the Delete button in the pop-up message to remove the preset. Do not press the Delete key on your keyboard when trying to remove a preset, as that will only delete the currently selected photo, not the preset. It's also worth noting that you cannot delete presets that come preloaded with Lightroom Classic CC. You can only hide them from view. If you have saved developed preset files, you can import them into Lightroom Classic CC too. To do this, click the same Add New Presets button in the Presets panel header, and this time choose the Import Presets command from the pop-up menu. The Import Preset dialog box then appears. Use this to navigate to the required folder path and select the preset you want to import. Then click the Import button to close the dialog box and add your selected preset to the User Presets group in the Presets panel.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.